how to add shipping protection to Shopify. In order to do this, you will need an external app, and I'm going to show you which one I use. Open up Shopify admin, and we're going to use the search bar to search for shipping protection, just like that. And you want to search shipping protection in the Shopify app store. Now you will see a bunch of different options such as Captain Shipping Protection, Charge Flow, other apps, but I would recommend this one, Navidium Shipping Protection. If you click on it, then you will get the option to install it. So it's going to be free to install, and you will have a free trial for this app. So we're just going to click on install here. We're going to wait for it to pop up, and we're just going to confirm the installation. Now once you have installed the app, it's going to look like this. So we're going to wait for it. And you see you have a free plan up to 50 orders per month. So you can select whichever plan fits you. If you have more than 50 orders, you have the second option, which is going to be up to 500. If you click on purchase here, it's going to load up a new page yet again. So you'll be charged based on how you set this app, a maximum of $100 per 30 days. So basically you will need to confirm the installation here. So you will need to add a payment method. So you will go to the billing section. You will add a payment method. And if you are on the free version, this is going to give you protection, shipping protection for up to 50 orders, like I said. And if you want to go up a tier, then you can do that as well. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.